Customer churn is a massive problem for businesses because it is so difficult to predict. However, times are changing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to predict your customer churn with the power of AI. For this, I'm going to be using one of my favorite AI tools, PI Exchange, and we're going to be looking at a case study of a bank employee who's looking to enhance his customer retention strategy. So here we are inside the engine. We're going to create a new application, and for this, we'll select the customer churn prediction template provided by the engine. This is a templated no-code solution for our scenario. After we've named the app, we're going to choose the option predict if the transactional activity of my currently active customers would decrease in volume or frequency. This aligns perfectly to our use case. Next, we need to decide what churn means for our business. This step involves specifying the criteria and also the prediction frequency to align with our objectives. In our example, we aim to predict the churn 30 days in advance. So we'll define a customer as churned if their total transaction count within the last 60 days is fewer than 2. Okay, so now let's have a look at the data sets we have available. The first is a CSV, which details the customer transactions over a specific period. It's really easy to upload these into the data set, and we can manually map essential columns like customer ID, date, and transaction value. And the second data set is all of our customers' information. Now we need to focus on identifying the key factors that might make our customers churn. This involves analysing time-based factors from the transactional data set to understand their importance on the churn. The engine conveniently suggests default date ranges, but there's flexibility to add more if needed. Now, to finish the app building process, we've got to focus on building that predictive model. Here we have the option to either let the engine automatically recommend the best algorithms based on our data and criteria, or manually select the algorithms yourself. For this demonstration, I'm going to train the top 3 algorithms recommended by the engine. Once we have initiated the building process, the engine's going to start working with the information and the data that we've provided. It analyzes the training data set and begins training the selected algorithms. This step is intensive and may take a few minutes to complete as it involves complex computations and data processing. So now the app is ready, let's click Make Predictions, and I'm going to select One-Time Prediction. I'm going to choose the best performing algorithm, this one here with 82% prediction quality. And in the next step, let's choose the option to use the data that we uploaded at the beginning. So now the status is changed to ready, we can start to have a look at this data. There's 3 ways you can look at this. You can just preview a sample here, you can download the output as a CSV or some other format, or you can export it to a data set within the engine or an external database. And just like that, we have our churn likelihood predicted for the next 30 days. Let's take a look at what impacted the prediction and do something about it. So for this, I'm going to open up our best performing model and see the Insights tab where we can see and run feature importance. This will show us what features in our data impacted the prediction the most. And that, my friends, is how you do predictive modeling with the AI and Analytics Engine by PI Exchange. We've seen how to predict your customer churn and how to identify key influencing factors without writing a single line of code. Are you ready to embrace the future of machine learning and transform your business insights? I think you might just be. Thanks everyone, and see you at the next one.